Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Question 1. What is the role of technology in daily life? Answer. Technology plays a key role in daily life. It has made our lives easy and comfortable. Technological equipments are used in our kitchens, bedrooms, bathrooms, offices, schools, colleges, and universities, etc. Question 2. Discuss how you use technology at home and in your personal life. Answer. We use a lot of technological equipments at our homes. Our bedrooms, kitchens, bathrooms, and dining halls have a lot of technological equipments. We use cell phones, computers, LED, vehicles, airplanes, and many other technological equipments. All these technological equipments have made our lives easy. Question 3. How does technology help transportation? Answer. In modern world of today, we have fast and efficient transportation system. We use cars, trains and airplanes etc. to go to our workplaces, to go shopping, to visit friends and relatives, to transport heavy goods from one place to another with much ease. Question 4. What is the importance of technology in agriculture? Answer. Technology has been of great benefit to the field of agriculture. Now we grow crops in deserts by using biotechnology. Similarly, genetic engineering has enabled us to survive plants in drought conditions. It has also made plants resistant to pests. Question 5. How is technology being used to generate cheap electricity? Answer. Technology has enabled us to generate cheap electricity. With the help of technology, we are able to build large dams. These dams can store water and use it for generating electricity. Wind is being used for generating electricity. Solar energy has been converted to electricity, which is being used in our homes, offices, and businesses. Question 6. What is the impact of technology on medicine? Answer. Technology has brought a revolution in health science industry. Now every illness is treatable. Improved medicines have increased the chances of survival. Doctors are now able to discover health problems at their early stages and treat them before they develop into advanced stages. Question 7. Does technology impact culture and society? How? Answer. Yes, technology impacts culture and society. Technology, on the one hand, has made our lives easy and comfortable. It has benefited us a lot in every walk of life. On the other hand, some modern inventions like mobile phones, internet, television, and social media platforms have brought great destruction to the moral character of our youth. Now world has become a global village and one nation's culture and social values are directly affected by other nations' cultures and values.